What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Just want to give you a small update, show you the inside of HogOn headquarters fab shop. It's a home fab shop, so I'm starting off like UPS, Amazon, Apple in the garage to build something major. So I'm gonna fix this up. I got a lot of room, so I'm gonna be able to get some things lined out. And for those who've been following me, they know I started in the desert. I started building my products in the desert, in the sand, on a slab right beside my RV. And now I have migrated to a home with a garage, so that's a big plus for me. So I'm about to start working on some more things, so hopefully the future is gonna unveil a lot of good things for me. I just got to stay focused and work on a few things that I got lined out. I got my prints and stuff lined out, so man, I got a lot of good things coming. So now it's all about proper preparation, you know, getting everything together so I can make my next move be my best move. So keep following me, stay in contact with me, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm doing as I do it. HogOn.